Hello and hi, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to assemble not a Gundam, it is multiple Gundam that my customer sent it to me. So as you remember, I have made a review about this BM800 microphone, but I'm not gonna use it in this intro because I'm recording this with my phone. So now I'm going to let my brothers say anything because he's going to make his own YouTube video, but he is going to use his own, our own language. So it will be two different language in this video.
Hai, selamat datang ke channel saya. Hari ni kita orang nak pasang Gundam. So siapa yang first time tengok, sila subscribe dan like.
The first Gundam we have here is Force Impulse Gundam, and the second Gundam is Gundam Portent, and this Gundam is O Kanti. Actually we already have this one but in MG size. The customer sent us the RG one, so I'm going to show you the MG one. And this is the MG size of the O Kanti, and this is my brother's.
Ni saya punya. Tapi yang ni besar, yang ni kecil.
Then here we have Gundam O Shia Kanti. Right. Let's put this here. Now we are going to assemble it.
Together, raise a glass of wine for the last time. Holding out by the road, prepare as we will watch the flames burn all along the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. And I see fire, hollow soul. I see fire burning the breeze. And I hope that you remember me. Too close to the flame, calling out Father, road. Hold fast and we will watch the flames burn over on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire.
Awak post dekat mana? Buat Gundam.
Apa? Facebook. So basically this is how I wrap the finished Gundam. Just close the head first. This is the easiest way to wrap the Gundam, the finished Gundam, but you could choose the hard way, but pretty safe one, which is you disassemble the arm, the leg, and also the head, and also the torso, and then wrap it one by one. Hey, kau ni nak aku cakap pasal juga. Macam tadi apa yang aku buat tu, itu untuk apa? Untuk wrapping lah, untuk wrapping Gundam tu, untuk kasi dia tak rosak lah tempat hantaran. Okay. After all the hard work I've been working on for like 24 hours or maybe more than that, working on this Gundam, it is finally finished. Let's take a first look on this RG Force Impulse Gundam. I really love this one because it have a really really good detail on it, since it is RG. Alright, take a look on it. It is really good. I'm planning to buy RG Gundam one day, but right now I doesn't have any money. So what I can do is just assemble it for people like making the service. And this Gundam I didn't build, but I just apply the stickers and also put the lines because my customer asked me to do it. But the rest of this I built it by myself with my brother. This is the first Gundam I built out of these 3, and it's the best Gundam I've ever built, I guess. Yeah, it is the best out of from the RG and also the HG. I really like this one the most because of the insane detail and also the stickers, everything else. I just really love it. The face, it looks like it is really good. Like, it is a little bit angry though. Not sure how about you, but I think it is kinda look angry. The back, the leg, I really love this one. And let's go to the second Gundam. And this Gundam name is O Shiakanti. It kinda have a cat looking head. Let me pull it off and show it to you. Take a look. So cute, right? Let's put it back. This Gundam name is it is Gundam Portent. Not sure where this Gundam come from, like the series. I don't know the series is. The horn is damaged. I'm not sure if it is the package or what, but it is damaged. But it kind of looks symmetrical, and I'm not sure why. It's like someone cut it, but I'm not sure. It kind of look bald, but it is cute. That is all. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just share this video, like and subscribe. If you live in Malaysia and you're really lazy to build your own Gundam and put some details on it, just PM me on Facebook. My Facebook name is Harisakim04, I guess. Not sure the name, I just forgot it, but I will put the link or maybe the name on the description below, so check it out. And if you want to follow my Instagram, in case if you want to follow my Instagram, but I don't recommend you to follow my Instagram because I don't post anything regularly. So I hope you enjoy this, and see you in the next future video.